stop scrolling, stop watching. If you want to speak in English, then this video is for you. There are so many people who watch videos, who watch content on YouTube and social media, but they are not practicing. Very few actually speak in English, and that's the problem. So guys, welcome and thanks for watching in advance. For watching this video, please do subscribe this channel, like this video, comment on this video, and share this video to your friends and family who wants to speak in English. So my topic is that if you are a viewers, then you can never speak in English. Do you know what is the problem and what is the reality? There are lots of people who are watching English contents, reels, Facebook post, Instagram post, watching videos, long or short videos, but just ask them, are they practicing at least 30 seconds each and every day? You will get to know that most people can't and don't. Do you know why? Because to learn English speaking is passive. Watching videos is passive. But to learn how to speak in English, it needs actions. This is similar as that just watching swimming videos, how to swim on a river, until and unless you are trying swimming. So if you want to swim, if you want to learn how to swimming, then you need to jump into the river. So here is the rules are same, but games are different. You know what? Viewers are consuming the videos, but creators, they create content to learn something. When you try to become a creator instead of a viewers, what will happen? Here in English speaking about, so you will learn in easy way where no classroom, no private teachers, no pressure, no grammar rules, just practicing. Just you, your phone and your voice, and that's the leverage. Already I have uploaded so many videos in this topic that how to speak in English. You can watch my previous videos too. What you need to do, just try to speak at least 30 seconds, at least 1 minute about your day, what you learned today, what your plan for today, or any simple topic. That's all. Bad English, no problem. Mistakes, no problem, because you are not in an exam. You are just learning in front of your mobile camera. You know that social media is like a laboratory, English laboratory, which is free. You don't need to pay anything. So in these labs, you don't need likes, you don't need subscribe, you don't need any comments. What you need practice. You know, confidence comes after repetition, not before. So let me be very honest that people already judged you. Now the ball is in your court that whether you improve yourself or you may go down. Initially your action doesn't matter, your grammar absolutely doesn't matter. What matter is you spoke today. You know what, in any social media account, if you post just a single video each and every day, what will happen? Your fear reduces, your fluency increases, even your thinking shifts to English from your mother tongue. You stop translating, you start explaining yourself in English. And that's the real progress. So guys, take action today. Don't be a viewer, be a creator. And if you yourself don't like that kind of videos, then you can make it private also. Because I believe that one day you can speak fluently easily. So my final word is fluency is built by speaking, not by scrolling videos. Now in these days, each and everyone has a social media account, but they are just wasting time without learning anything. See, if you are an aspirant, I suggest you that be a creator, not a viewer. Also, I have planned to make 21 days challenge videos. So let me know in the comment section in which topic next time you want me to make a video. Until then, to subscribe the channel, like this video, comment on this video and share this video. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.